where it intercepts UV line. So based on this, sometimes they may give you not mentioning about what is the nature of the mirror, what is its focal length or radius of curvature. They may simply give you 1 by u versus 1 by v graph. They may say this line, just like this, they may give this line. They may give this line making an angle 45 degree. And on this, and you must be able to use this idea to determine the focal length. So what we know, once we remember this, we can identify the point where it is intercepting as 1 by f. From there you can calculate the focal length of the mirror. Since UV graph of a mirror, the positive, both u and v are positive, therefore it is concave mirror. Now instead of that, sometimes they may ask you to plot the graph between u and v. For that, what we can write, 1 by v is equal to 1 by f minus 1 by u, v is equal to uf by u minus f. And plot of u versus v in this case. In this case, we can write the equation as f by 1 minus f by u dividing through. This is the graph. F by 1 minus f by u. When u is infinity, v is equal to f. v is equal to f means when u is infinity. When u is infinity, the image distance becomes f. Similarly, when u is 0, v is going to be, v is 0. When v is 0, u is, when u is f, when u is f, v is going to be infinity. So therefore, this is going to be f. So it is asymptotic graph, UV graph is asymptotic with these axes. Y is equal to f, x is equal to f graphs, f lines. It is asymptotic. And also it is rectangular hyperbola. So therefore, it is the graph variation of u with v is going to be graph like this. It is asymptotic to these two lines, that is y is equal to f and x is equal to f. And the axis, this graph, if this graph cuts a point on the y is equal to x line or u is equal to v line. When we plot u is equal to v line, it is cutting the graph UV graph at this point. The coordinates of this point are 2f and 2f. So coordinates where UV graph is cut by u is equal to v line is 2f and 2f. That is about the UV graphs of spherical mirrors. Okay. Next, another kind of problems we come across in this is they give the object position and image positions and principal axis. They may ask you to locate the object, locate the pole, radius of center of curvature and the focal length of the focus of the mirror. Location of pole, focus and center of curvature of a mirror, of a spherical mirror when image and object locations are given. Let us consider a principal axis. Let it be principal axis. Object is somewhere here and image is here. Object and image are on the either side of the principal axis. This is principal axis. Now, first of all, we have to identify the nature of the mirror and once we identify the nature of the mirror, whether it is convex or concave mirror, we have to identify the pole, focus and center of curvature. What is the procedure? First step is the identification of the mirror. Object and image are on either side of the principal axis, indicating image is inverted image. Inverted image will be formed in the case of concave mirror only, and that too real image. Real image is inverted image for a concave mirror. Therefore, mirror has to be concave mirror. Therefore, first identification is nature of the mirror, concave mirror. What is the basis on which we say it is concave mirror? Image is formed in behind, that is inverted. That is, if you consider this as the object and this is the image. Image is inverted image. Inverted image is formed only in the case of concave mirror, that is real image. Real image only is inverted, means concave mirror, it is the real image of the object and it is diminished image. Therefore, object should be away from the pole of the mirror when compared to image, means object distance is more than image distance. Now, how to identify the image? So, how to identify the pole and focus and center of curvature of the mirror? So, now let us consider this as the object line, this is the image line. First, same distance on the upper side of the principal axis, draw a line. Same distance means this is HI, image height, same HI here, we write another line. So, therefore, the distance between these two is now 2HI, I dash, we draw a line. Similarly, object also, object height is HO, image we write just below this, or object we extend the same line, double the